We ready to go for tonight, baby. We ready to go for tonight. I mean, I don't got that much, but you know what it is. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. Shit, you know. Not much, but, you know, I got my big boy here. Y'all know what that's about. Y'all know what that's about right there, right? Huh? Alright, brothers. That's just a quick little update of what we got going on tonight. That's just my portion that I'm donating, you know what I mean? What I'm lighting. So, yeah, you know, we got some little play around me stuff here. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ooh, old version too. Ooh. What's that? Yeah, you know what that is. Hail in. Hail, baby. Yeah, alright. I'll see y'all later.